I want to show you the exact 4 step in which you can download Adobe Illustrator. So first of all, go to Google and type Adobe Illustrator. Open the first link, which is Vector Graphic Software, and then scroll down to the bottom. And here you will find Download Illustrator, Adobe Creative Cloud. Open this one also. Open both of these. When we have clicked on the first link, so this is 22.99 cent per month, and you can paid monthly plan. You can get 14-day free trial in this link. So when you click on the free trial, they will open Illustrator and Creative Cloud both. So this is the business and student and teacher plans, and you can if you want to take this, you can click on the continue button. Also stay tuned for the last, which is pretty simple, and I will provide the Illustrator version, which is pre-upcast, and you can use it without paying any single dollar. So the second step is download Adobe Illustrator Creative Cloud, and when you click on that link, they will automatically download. You have to click on it and open this in your PC. When you are open this, so they are look like this. You have to sign up here and provide your details and click on continue button. So the third step is you can use the Creative Cloud pre-upcast in your browser. You have doesn't need to pay any single dollar, and the link of this website I have provided in the description below. So there is a lot of pre-made templates. You can use this for your projects, and you can edit this online 100% pre-upcast. So this is the third way in which you can use Adobe Illustrator pre-upcast. So for the fourth step, if you want to Adobe Illustrator version which is 100% pre-upcast, so for that you have to subscribe this channel, and the channel link provide below. You have to send me a screenshot that you have subscribed the channel, and I will provide you the 100% pre-upcast Adobe Illustrator premium version. So on that you can use it pre-upcast. So that's all for today videos.